Do you get the dreaded hockey stick effect on your audience retention graph in the first few seconds of your video? If so, this means most of your audience is not watching the rest of the video, so your channel growth will suffer. Notice I ask a question at the beginning of this video, so it motivates you to keep watching the video to get the answer. Your question should relate to what's on the mind of your target audience, because if it's not relevant to what they're thinking, they're not going to keep watching the video. That was trick number 10, but I'm going to give you 9 more tricks to keep viewers watching, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Number 9, make a bold statement. Did you know that 70% of all traffic on YouTube comes from suggested videos? An alternative is to state a fact, like YouTube Shorts receives 5 billion views per day. Opening a video with a strong hook like asking a question, making a bold statement, or stating a fact helps viewers watch the rest of the video. If you can keep viewers hooked in the first 30 seconds of your video, there's a high probability they'll keep watching the rest of the video. Number 8, jump in right away. Instead of introducing your video content or asking viewers to subscribe, jump into your content right away. Viewers these days have a very short attention span, and there may be a lot of other videos on YouTube that are addressing the same topic. So if you don't beat around the bush and jump into the content right away, you'll stand out from the crowd. Number 7, use descending lists. Instead of starting with point number 1, start with point number 10, like I've done in this video. That means point number 1 is going to be the last point that you mention in your video. Make sure you don't miss point number 1, which I'll reveal later, because it might be a big surprise. Number 6, use microhooks. This is where you tease viewers about what's coming up next or what's coming up later in the videos so they'll keep watching. For example, at the end of my last point, I said check out point number 1 because it's going to be a big surprise. A great definition of microhooks is everything you say creates a problem that the next thing you say solves. So when you say something in your video, think about the next question that may be on the mind of your viewer, which you can answer later in the video. I'm back. I just had to get a drink. Number 5, use props, just as I did there. I often use this multicolor smart bulb to light up parts of my background, just like I've got green in the background right now. When you use props in your video, it resets the attention of your viewers so they keep watching. Excuse me, I forgot to shave this morning before turning on the video. Number 4, make them laugh. If you do something entertaining during your video, it will help viewers to relax and possibly make them laugh. If you're not a comedian like me, you can use sites like Jiffy.com or GetYarn.io. My recommendation, if you're talking about a boring topic, is to add some entertainment during your video to break up the monotony. Your viewers will thank you for it. React to a popular trend. If there's a hot trend happening in your niche, there's a high probability your video will go viral and you get a ton of views and subscribers. For example, when YouTube announced YouTube creators can now have unique identifiers called YouTube handles, this began trending on Google Trends. As a result, I created a video titled 5 Reasons to Create a YouTube Handle. Number 5 might surprise you. Here's how to find hot trends in your niche using Google Trends. Go to trends.google.com/trends. Enter your search term in the box. I entered YouTube handles. Under web search trend data, it shows that this particular phrase is a hot trend. Also on interest over time, it shows that it's currently a hot trend. If I click on the drop down next to web search and select YouTube search, then I can show the trend data for this particular keyword phrase, and it shows it's still a hot trend. Under interest over time, it also shows that it's still a hot trend. As you can see, Google Trends is a quick way to capitalize on hot trends in your niche. Number 2, add video chapters or timestamps. When you add timestamps or video chapters in the description below your video, it allows viewers to skip to that section that they're most interested in. So if they're not interested in watching the whole video, they can zero in on that segment that most applies to them. Did you know that video chapters can also help your videos rank in Google search and YouTube search? Click the link in the description to learn how to make video chapters on YouTube videos so you can get a higher retention rate. Number 1, and this might surprise you, vary your delivery. If you're not excited about your content, it will show in your video. If you don't know your content, it will also show in your video. If you have a monotone voice, it'll be hard to keep viewers engaged. If you don't smile while delivering your content, it'll turn viewers off. If you speed through your content like this, it'll also be hard to keep your viewers engaged. When delivering your content, make sure you're excited about the topic, research the topic so you know a lot about it, and pace yourself during the delivery so you don't go too fast. Here's a bonus tip. Keep testing to see what works. Study your audience retention graph after you've published a new video to see if you've improved the retention over the last video. Pay particular attention to the dips and spikes on your audience retention graph. The spikes refer to where you got the most engagement on your video. It could be something you said, you did something entertaining, or somebody was re-watching the video. Try to identify what caused those spikes and use them again in your next video. Dips refer to where people are leaving the video because they lost interest. Try to identify the elements that cause viewers to leave your video. It could be where you're waffling in the video or where you're repeating yourself. Try to eliminate those elements when you publish the next video. Now you know 10 tricks to keep viewers watching your videos so you can get more views. But what if your YouTube chapters are not working? Watch this video on the screen right now on YouTube chapters timestamps not working, how to fix. You'll be glad you did.